Morning again, this is Sam. This is part 2 of Yards 102. It was taking a little bit longer than what I was expecting. But we got batteries. We're going to take this box here off, that one off, and show you this one. That's why I had to move the camera. We're going to take that box and put it over there. Without getting stoned. I have no idea what we're going to find on the bottom. Ain't that right, girls? Yes. Not as heavy. Okay. Get them off the edge because we got a lot of bees along the edge here. We don't want to smooch none of them. Might have the queen out there. So we're going to put a little bit of smoke on there so they'll get off of it. So I don't roll anybody when I pull that off. I should have brought me a seat with me, but I didn't. We're going to feed these girls in a different way. We're going to give them honey. I expect to get honey from them. And it's their honey. Reset my thing. Okay, that's that one. Has a little bit of honey and a little bit of nectar in it, and that's about it. So we might wind up putting that in the middle. We can set it right here. Bottom looks clean. You girls out here have been doing a good job. Oh yeah, I remember I wanted to show you something. They're pulling the rubber bands out of the front doors that they're cutting off of these. The next one has some rubber bands. It's got a rubber band right here. But they cut the rubber bands loose. They don't need it. It's getting in their way. This one here has some queen cups and some honey, some nectar, a little bit of pollen. We may put the bottom box in the middle, or number 2. Got little queen cups here. Nothing's in them. This queen's got room to lay in there. There we go. You cut that grass loose, don't it? The only kind of pollen they say they're getting, and I'm sure they're getting more, but they're saying grass pollen. We're getting some rain. This one here had rubber bands on it. There's one of them. Yeah, I think we'll put this one in box 2. That way the queen will have more room to lay. This one here has some brood, some pollen, some nectar, a little bit of brood, honey. We got a piece of rubber band down here on the bottom still. Y'all don't stick your hand in your hives unless you know your bees. Tell you something else about wearing your gloves in your suit. If ever you stick your hand in there with your gloves and the bees sting your gloves, they sting your suit. Kind of hard to get that smell from where they stung you, because it's an attractant to security. Get the guards out here. Let's eat this person. This one here has some honey. No, it don't. Got some nectar. It has some pollen. There's some room for the bees to lay. But I don't like putting a whole bunch of boxes. You know, some people, mine's 12 feet high. That's fantastic. I can't get up to that high. My legs are too short. Yeah, I could use a ladder, could use a bench, could fall off, hurt myself. This one here has some brood, some pollen. Nectar. But you wearing those gloves, it's kind of hard to wash the smell off of them, from what I've heard. And I know if I'm wearing a suit, my bees try to attack me more. But I mean, even though they know I love them, I take care of them best I can. But it's up to them to do some things too, like keep the beetles out, keep the wax moths out. This one here has some honey. Some nectar. This one here has some honey. See, and that's why I'm going to give these girls honey instead of sugar water. And like I said, I'm going to do it in a different way. Bringing in the pollen, and we're going to take this one and stick it somewhere in here. Come on, move. Come on. this up. Now we're going to have to move this box and put box number 2 in this one's place. And this one here will go in number 2's place. We need to check the bottom. Okay. We're going to put them over here at this other top. One beetle. Pull this rubber bands off. One beetle in the bottom. Okay. Okay, that one's back there. They have pollen. Hold on a second. Okay. Take one that was on the bottom now. Put it there. Then we're going to take the heavy top one and put it up here. Get ready for this. Yeah, I should have took some more of it out, but I can do it. Okay. Then we're going to take this one, take this one. We'll set the camera again. Take this one, put it back here where it was at. Smoke that up a little bit. Change the camera. Y'all, I'm gonna go get another thing of way of feeding, and I'm gonna feed them that way with some honey. And I'll explain that to you on the next one. This is hive number 102 yard. bees are crawling up my pants leg. I need to get a couple more honey frames and put in here. We can put their feeders back up in here right now because until I get back. Might wear my mud boots back out here. And that's that. We're going to fix their front, put their closure on their front, but we're going to wait a little bit. And we're going to wait a little bit before we come back and do number 3 to this one. That's what we got. We got a super. That one, and then the bottom is number 2, and number 2 was the bottom. And the old number 2, y'all know what I mean. So we'll take that and put some stuff across the front to close it up a little bit. Y'all can see how good they're doing with that. So we'll take that, and put there. And y'all wait for the next one. Bye. Oh, no, not bye. Y'all give us a thumbs up and comment, share, subscribe. Let people know where we're at. If you like us, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like us, give us a thumbs up. And y'all have a wonderful, marvelous, safe day and weekend. Talk with you later. Bye.